Hey friends, today I thought I would make a paper airplane. So I got myself a piece of white paper and some markers, and I think what I'm gonna do first is decorate the paper first, and then I'll fold it into an airplane. So you can come along with me and make your own as well. I was thinking about our art and artist unit. We were talking about all the different lines that artists make in their work. So I think I'm gonna use all those different lines to decorate my paper. There were wavy lines, and we talked about zigzag lines. I'm gonna make a little zigzag line. And we talked about dotted lines. And dashed lines. And then of course there are straight lines. I'm going to do some horizontal lines and some vertical lines, straight lines. And let's see, what else did we talk about? Oh, curly Q lines, like spiral lines. And how about some diagonal lines? They kind of go across. To do the other side too. I am finished with my lines on my paper to decorate. Now I need to make my airplane. All right, now we are ready to fold our airplane. So you have your decorated piece of paper, and you're gonna fold your piece of paper in half and open it back up, and you'll see that middle crease or that fold line should be right down the center of your paper. Now you're gonna take the corners of the top of the paper and fold them in. So I'm going to start with this one. It's going to meet that middle fold line that you just made. Kind of makes like a triangle. And I'm going to take this corner and do the same thing. Now stop and take a look. Kind of looks like a little house. It looks like a square on the bottom and two triangles on the top. Now you can keep on going. You're going to find the outer corner of each one of these triangles and fold those into the middle line. So I'm going to do this one first. I met that middle line, and then I'm going to do this one. And it will look a little bit like that. All right, now once yours looks like that, now you're going to fold it in half. And we're going to make some wings. So we're going to fold these down about halfway on that side, flip it over, and fold this down on this side. Our airplane is ready now, so I'm going to take it outside and test it. Come on along. I'm going to keep playing with my airplane. You keep playing with yours, and I'll see you next time. Have fun.